Good morning, fellow humans, beach bums, travelers, freaks, geeks, and everybody else in between. I'm here at the beach. This is Avila, and what you are seeing here is a juvenile seabird. The reason I say he's a juvenile is because he's not white yet. When they're growing up, they look like this. And then when they're fully grown, they're the white seagulls that we normally see. There's a lot of babies out right now, and they're all learning to fly and learning to be. Betty and I, and there she is right there looking at the seagull, are getting ready to walk the pier. There's a little restaurant down there, right there. And right over here, the Patriot boat comes up twice a day, early in the morning, then in the afternoon, and take people out for a 5 hour approximately fishing trip. This is a beautiful place to be. And then over here is the boat yard. This is where all the older boats and other boats are there, and people work on them. And then over here, is my van. And then what this is right here that's all fenced in is they have a huge lift that they lift out the huge boats out to the end out here where they can go. And that's how they bring in the bigger boats also. Otherwise, there is a lift over here behind there. You can see it that you pay. In the old days, it was $2.50. I have a feeling it's not that anymore. But you pay a certain amount of money, and there's uh, a thing that takes them out into the water too. Those are for the regular boats and the people that are sportsmen's and all of that. And there's the mermaid market where my friend Vincent owns. And on the other side of it, which you can't see because my van is there, is oh, here comes some dogs. I gotta grab up Betty. Sorry, guys. And anyhow, this is it for the day. I'll take some more later on. All right, you guys be good and enjoy your day. You got 24 hours like the rest of us. There, I knew she'd see them. All right, talk to you later. Bye.